Cabbage in palm rice, trust me, you will not regret it. Now let me show you how I made mine. The first thing you want to do is to heat up your palm oil in your pot. Then proceed to add in your pepper mixture. I'm using a combination of Scotch bonnet pepper and this bit of tomato. Cover that before adding in your more some onions and some crayfish. You can adjust your preferences based on what you have access to. I also added some garlic powder because I'm a garlic guy and I'll forever be one. Now mix everything together before you add in your seasoning powder. Please make sure you are using a good brand. Don't use those when you use your mortar to bake. Add in your salt and allow this to fry a little bit for a while before adding in your washed rice, thoroughly washed rice. Combine everything together, you guys. At this junction, you can add in your smoked fish if you have, or literally, I'm using everything I have in my eyes right now. So I added in some water, drop in one egg, and allow everything to share together and cook. And guys, I topped it up with some cabbage, leftover cabbage from my freezer. Ladies and gentlemen, what do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Bye, guys.